This Shopify brand is scaling to over $1 million a month in what most would consider to be a saturated market. And they're doing it through very clever marketing, which we're going to dissect in this video. So let's not waste any time. Let's hop right in. This brand, as you see, is scaling significantly. Their traffic is going to the moon at over 200,000 monthly visitors and from all over the world, which is quite interesting. Now, I believe this is a branded dropshipping store because I've seen this product before on TikTok, but I've never seen it marketed this way. So let's get right into it. Now, first and foremost, I have seen very similar brands scale to these trajectories through my agency. We have a media buying agency where we run ads for clients like this all the time. And I do find that the branded dropshipping stores tend to scale this fast, believe it or not, through just some simple ads. So we're actually going to dive right into the ads. But before we do that, I do want to go over this landing page because I did scroll down on this. So that's why it looks like a normal Shopify product page. But in reality, this is actually more like an advertorial page. And this is the primary page that they're driving traffic to. So the first lesson that we can learn is how they are just basically taking this simple product. It's kind of just like a coverage product, right? It's kind of like a self-tanner in a way, but they're using self-tanning, which is the saturated market, and using this new mechanism, right, to sort of create this innovation, which is really not that much of an innovation. But here's their main headline on this advertorial. It's 5 reasons why American and Aussie women are ditching self-tanner and turning to this body makeup instead. So they're calling this body makeup. That's sort of the new mechanism, is the body makeup as opposed to self-tanner. However, self-tanner has a ton of demand, right? So if we look at the keyword itself here, I'm using ShoppyLab.ai. It's 90,000 monthly visitors or monthly searches. And as you see, this peaks in the summer. So these guys are about to go crazy this summer, which is pretty cool. We'll check in on them maybe, in a few months on stream or something. If any of you guys follow me on YouTube and Kick, I do stream fairly regularly. But yeah, they're about to go crazy during the summertime. So let's actually get into some of their ads because that is these guys' specialty. As you see, they have over 990 active ads. So that means literal active ads right now in their ad account. And this is just on their page, right? That doesn't account for theme pages that they're running as well. But I wanted to show you this because it's pretty brilliant. So as you see, the headlines are so good and simple. They're saying hide veins, scars, and stretch marks instantly with our best-selling body coverage perfector. So they're also not calling this like body makeup themselves. Of course they are in the listicle, but they're calling it this perfector. And that gives it sort of like this almost like a trademark vibe that this brand just owns this product, right? So let's actually watch one of these videos. These are all their top ads by impressions. So let's take a look at this one real quick. It's a minute long ad. So we're not going to watch the whole thing, but we'll just watch the hook real quick here together.
I'm doing this outside so you can see all the veins and marks on my legs and watch what happens.
Waterproof, doesn't transfer, it lasts for days. Interesting. So it's just a product demonstration video, but it's like a really good UGC version of a product demonstration video.
This is what we use. Westmore Beauty.
Oh yeah, and as you see, this is what I'm saying, right? So this is classic branded dropshipping stuff. Yeah, I don't want to say classic because there's many branded dropshipping stores that don't do this kind of stuff, but they were just ripping this brand from TikTok, right? You can clearly see it. That's not even the right brand, but they're still running this as an ad, and it's converting extremely well on this page. So yes, ripping content does work, but I would urge these guys to, I'm sure they're doing this already. I mean, they have 990 active ads, so surely they're running a lot of their own stuff now too, a lot of their own statics. Let's check out this video right here now. So this is another one, and here they're using a slightly different headline: vacation ready skin in seconds, blur veins, stretch marks, and uneven tone with our body coverage protector.
When you're getting ready, a wedding, a vacation.
So you can clearly tell that this is actually a different voiceover over like existing TikTok clips, which I think is actually a fairly good way to test products, especially if you're running the same exact product. So that's where I draw the line, right? Everybody has a different, ethical or moral compass. I draw the line at I don't mind taking content from TikTok and making my own ads out of it, so long as the content is from, for example, Chinese suppliers or unbranded products, right? But if it's from a brand, you can do it. Obviously, there's many people doing it successfully. You may not consider that unethical, but it is actually illegal to do that, right? So like, you just got to be very careful.
You know that moment when you're getting ready, a wedding, a vacation.
But you can tell this is just a Claude script with an 11 Labs voiceover over these clips. And that's why I'm saying you don't need to necessarily just like one-to-one rip content. You can also just make your own scripts and, try to pair clips to it. And also you can do that with AI, which is pretty cool these days.
Sunny weekend, and you suddenly see every vein, scar, stretch mark.
Hold on. So let's watch this hook again. You know that moment when you're getting ready, a wedding, a vacation, even just a sunny weekend, and you suddenly see every vein, scar, stretch mark.
And just like that, your outfit changes. Your confidence drops. You think, maybe next time, but what if you didn't have to keep hiding? There's a solution, and it's not a self-tanner. It's not thick body makeup. It's a lightweight, breathable cream that blends like skincare and covers like magic. Spots blurred, veins gone.
Yeah, I mean, that's a really good ad, right? And you can see they have this accent that they added to it. So yeah, this is certainly one of the highest ROI activities that I'm seeing. So like, I see a lot of data. I invest in a lot of brands and a lot of software, and I also have my agency. So I do see that right now, one of the highest leverage things that you can do is take these ideas that work in the US, make an 11 Labs voiceover script in a different accent, and run it in a new market. That seems to be such an amazing way to, run in saturated markets, but in, new markets like Australia and the UK, which is what they're doing. And what's also really cool is just with AI now, you can create so many incredible statics like this. Interestingly, though, these are sorted by highest impressions. So we know that, of course, these top of funnel ads are some of their highest impression ads, but then they got some like bottom of the funnel ads also at the top of the impression game. So, this is kind of like the horseshoe theory, right? With the top of funnel is the top spenders, and then the bottom of the funnel are also top spenders. And that is a great combination that you want to have in your ad account. So that's exactly what we set up for clients, and what you should set up for yourself too. Now, one more thing I want to highlight is, these guys need to get on their comment game. I'm trying to talk more about Smart Reply because I am a proud team member of the Smart Reply team. I got involved in this company a long time ago, actually, and it's just been incredible to see the advancements being made in the AI customer service game. Smart Reply now has TikTok Shop integration, handles all customer inquiries through DMs. It can even process refunds. It is insane, honestly. And I personally believe that it's creating, well, I don't just believe this, but we have data to back this up. It's improving customer satisfaction ratings because even though everybody says that they don't want to talk to an AI is so much faster than a human, and it can actually give you what you want, right? So like, for example, if a customer is really upset, it can negotiate a refund with them. Maybe not a full refund, but even like a 20% refund. It can figure out like the best kind of offer to give people. But not only that, you can also set those parameters yourself. So I'm using Smart Reply on literally every store that I launch, every incubation. And yeah, I mean, I just wanted to go over this listicle. I guess we can go over it a little bit further, but there's nothing too crazy about it. It's just a classic 5 reasons why listicle. Anybody can make something like this, especially with Claude or Gem Pages is what I've used mostly for advertorial pages, just because they have some really good pages that are already pre-designed. And yeah, it seems like, they're running this to Australia right now, actually, and the UK, and they're completely popping off. So pretty interesting. They got a really good offer. That's the last thing I guess we should dive into is the offer, because that's everything, right? You got the market and the product. That's like super, super important. Probably one of the most important things. You got the marketing, creatives. That's also pretty much the most important thing. So I would say they're pretty tied at the top, like the market and offer, or the market and the creatives. But then you got the offer. That's the next step, right? What is the offer? And as you see, you can buy one for $27. They're most likely charging shipping as well. You can buy the perfector and brush bundle, so you can get a body brush for $16, and it gives you a discount on the perfecter, which is kind of interesting. So, you know, that does seem like a high value offer actually. Instead of doing like a buy one, get one free, and then here they're doing kind of like a buy one, get one. I actually really like this offer. It feels a little more novel than your classic like buy one, get one free, which I'm seeing a lot in the, you know, drop shipping realm, and a lot of brands doing. This seems a little bit more unique, but still really high value. And I'm guessing this costs like nothing to fulfill, right? I mean, this has to be super cheap. But yeah, hopefully you got some value out of this one. I think there's a lot to be learned here. This is really the only ad stack that you need to launch. You need some good top of funnel ads. You can script them just like how they did, and then some bottom of the funnel ads to capture those potential lost sales. You know, sometimes people need to see something like this to really get motivated to buy, and Meta does the hard work of showing the right ad to the right person. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, if you need any help with anything when it comes to, you know, running ads for your brand, you could hit up my agency, but we only work with brands doing 20K a month or more. However, that's why we developed ShopiLab as a platform, because I want more people to launch successful Shopify brands. I want to create more clients for ourselves, but also, you know, it just feels good to help people. And I do genuinely believe Shopify is an incredible company. That's why I'm launching more Shopify brands all the time with the members inside ShopiLab, and why we're building this as a sort of hub and accelerator for Shopify builders. We got a lot of really cool, interesting product research tools and data and courses and features that are really going to help you pop off. So that's about it for this video. I hope that you found this inspirational, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.